Keeping your Android phone updated ensures better security, improved performance, and access to the latest features. Here's how to check for and install software updates. To check for software updates, start by opening the Settings app on your Android phone. You can quickly access it by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear-shaped settings icon. Once inside Settings, scroll down and select Software Update. On some Android devices, this option may be located under System or About Phone, depending on the manufacturer. Next, tap Download and Install or check for updates. Your phone will connect to the update server and verify whether a newer software version is available. If your device is already running the latest version, you will see a message confirming that your software is up to date. When an update becomes available, your phone will display details about the new version, including security improvements, bug fixes, performance enhancements, and sometimes new features. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the update. Make sure your device has sufficient battery life and a stable Wi-Fi connection before starting the process. Stay updated regularly for security, performance, and new features.